In the heart of Mumbai's bustling Bandra Kurla complex BKC, amidst towering skyscrapers and a labyrinth of luxury hotels, the union of Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant unfolded as a testament to opulence, tradition, and global influence. The marriage of Anant, the youngest son of India's wealthiest family, and Radhika, born into the illustrious merchant family, marks not only a union of hearts but a merging of two powerful dynasties. Anant Ambani, born into the famed Ambani lineage, represents the pinnacle of privilege and responsibility. Heir to his parents Mukesh and Neeta Ambani's colossal fortune, estimated at $118 billion. Anant's journey began at Brown University, where he honed his intellect and ambition. Beyond corporate endeavors, Anant is deeply invested in philanthropy, serving on the board of the Reliance Foundation and spearheading initiatives like Vantara, an expansive 3,000-acre elephant rehabilitation sanctuary. A testament to his commitment to environmental conservation and animal rights. Intelligent and socially savvy, Anant is known to be quite indulgent. During his wedding celebration, the sign gifted 25 of his close friends limited edition watches that reportedly cost a whopping 2 crore rupees each. Radhika Merchant, born in 1994, is no stranger to wealth and prestige. Raised in Mumbai, in the Merchant family, pioneers in the pharmaceutical industry through their company Encore Healthcare, educated in political science at New York University, Radhika returned to India to join her family's business, where she now serves on the board of directors alongside her sister Anjali. Anant and Radhika's paths intertwined from a young age, nurtured by their shared social circles and family backgrounds. Their romance blossomed, culminating in a public declaration of their relationship in 2018. Since then, Radhika has become an integral part of Ambani family. The culmination of Anant and Radhika's journey to marriage has been nothing short of spectacular. The wedding festivities, which commenced with a signature ceremony in Jamnagar, Gujarat, graced by global superstar Rihanna, set the tone for an international celebration of unparalleled extravagance. A second pre-wedding extravaganza traversed the shores of Italy on a luxury liner, culminating in a star-studded concert in Cannes featuring pop icon Katy Perry and Backstreet Boys. From a mammoth Krishna idol to a peacock installation that fans out in a beautiful display, the decor at Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant's wedding was grand to say the least. The Ambanis are known for their attention to detail when it comes to decor, and the Jio World Centre at BKC, Mumbai was transformed into a visual spectacle replete with fresh imported flowers and larger-than-life installations. In line with the theme of an ode to Varanasi, the streets of Varanasi or Banaras, the decor includes traditional arts like brasswork, pottery, work by the weavers of Banarsi and Kanjivaram saris, polki jewelry and rosewood furniture.
पिला के हम अपना सेटअप सबको डेमोन्स्ट्रेशन कर दे रहे हैं कि कैसे ये साड़ियाँ वीव होती हैं, कितना टाइम लगता है, क्योंकि लोग पूछते हैं कि ये कितना कॉस्टली क्यों है।
बहुत सारी साड़ीज़ यहाँ से आई एम श्योर नीता जी ने भी ली
हाँ
होंगी।
जी, हमारी बहुत सारी स्वदेश की साड़ियाँ नीता मैम ने
पहने हैं और वेडिंग में भी यूज़ हुए होंगे गेस्ट को गिफ्ट की गई है, वो यहीं की है, बनारसी वीव्स आप लोग से ही है।
From the entry gates to the interiors, the entire venue was covered from pillar to post in vibrant flowers. The entrance saw several cascading installations crafted entirely out of foliage surrounding them. And featuring a photo op wall adjacent to it that was elevated with Japanese cherry blossoms and carnations. The interiors were clearly designed to create a surreal feeling. Pink, purple, coral and white flowers were scattered through the venue, with transparent domes outlined with flowers hanging from the roof. Another focal point was mammoth statue of Lord Krishna posing with a bansuri crafted entirely with foliage. A colossal conch shell made up of pink flowers sat behind the idol in bright contrast. Renowned fashion designer turned wedding planner Manish Malhotra has been instrumental in bringing to life Neeta Ambani's lavish visions. Collaborating with Bollywood set designer Umang Kumar, the duo transformed the Geo World Center into a resplendent palace of mirrors for the couple's Sangeet ceremony. A visual feast that saw the entire Ambani family grace the stage in a celebration of love and culture. There was a dedicated stall at the venue where guests could consult astrologers and get their stars read. In addition to that, there was also an attar shop, perfumery, a florist, bangle seller, puppet show and a photo studio where guests got their photos clicked. The meticulous planning and execution of Anant and Radhika's wedding extravaganza was top-notch. Each guest was given a QR code with the wedding invitation. Upon scanning the code at the entry, the guest received a message welcoming them. Assisting them around the venue along with other details. The celebration also showcased culinary innovation on a global scale. The family enlisted the talents of world-renowned chefs to create an extraordinary feast for the wedding guests. At the helm of this gastronomic adventure was Peruvian chef Virgilio Martinez, who was flown down to Mumbai by the Ambanis and was appointed for an all-vegetarian cuisine at the Gujarati wedding. While guests indulged in creamy rabdi, refreshing lassi, and even extravagant treats like caviar served atop tiramisu.
मैं तो पहली बात तो मुझे इनवाइट किया, मैं बड़ी खुश थी क्योंकि इट्स अ वेरी बिग थिंग फॉर समवन बिकॉज इट्स द wedding of the century. I feel like I have not seen anything as big as this when it comes to weddings, and honestly they've made India proud, like because everybody, like internationally, globally people are talking about this event. जैसे invite मिला, stylist को call चला गया था कि यार हो रहा है, अभी से तुम sourcing start कर दो, देख लो तुमको क्या करना है. लुक टेस्ट भी ऐसे 1-2 बार ट्रायल्स हुए, ये सब हुआ, तो काफ़ी तैयारी के साथ गई थी. But going inside, like I was so very excited, but like just seeing how extravagant the entire wedding was, it was amazing. Like मुझे बस ऐसे मैं constantly कह रही थी कि कितना अच्छा है, और मैं I was just मैं बस ग्रेटफुल थी। मैं मुकेश सर से भी मिली, नीता मैम से भी मिली, तो काफ़ी खुश थी मैं। मुझे एक्चुअली नीता मैम का बहुत अच्छा लगा, वो उनकी साड़ी बड़ी सुंदर लगी, मतलब मैं उन्हीं को देख रही थी एंड वाज शी ग्लोइंग, व्हाट अ वेरी ब्यूटीफुल वुमन, सो आई वाज कॉन्स्टेंटली लुकिंग एट हर ओनली। मैं आपको बताऊँ, एक पूरा हॉल सिर्फ डिज़र्ट्स का था। पहले तो हम वो हॉल में गए और मैंने देखा कि अच्छा हम चलते जा रहे हैं, मतलब एक पूरा ऐसा लंबा लेन जस्ट डिजर्ट्स, सो मेनी डिजर्ट्स एंड आई एम लाइक अरे बट एंड आई वाज ऑन अ डाइट, सो आई एम लाइक क्या शुड आई, तो मैंने कहा यार आपको नहीं मिलेगा वापस अंबानियों के शादी में आने, तुम पागल हो जो, तुम आज भी डाइट करोगी। तो मैंने तो बहुत डिजर्ट
क्या खाया आपने डिजर्ट्स?
वहाँ पे ऐसे बड़े ही क्लासी, बड़े ही ऐसे पॉश, ऐसे छोटे छोटे कप केक्स और मिठाइयाँ। मैंने एक्चुअली मिठाइयाँ बहुत खाई वहाँ पे। तो वहाँ पे एक बंगाली मिठाई थी जो बाहर से ऐसा मिल्क केक थी और अंदर उसके रसगुल्ला था, तो वो मैंने 3-4।
और चाट खाई?
नहीं, अरे मैं बता रही हूँ इतना बड़ा, आप वो डिज़र्ट में ही मैं खो गई और फिर मैं इतना थक गई क्योंकि मैंने हील्स भी पहनी थी, लहंगा भी बहुत मेरा हैवी था, तो मैं वहाँ तक जा ही नहीं पाई। मैंने थोड़ा सा फिर लोगों की प्लेट से थोड़ा, मेरे साथ थे जो, उनकी प्लेट से थोड़ा मैंने खाया, बट मैं इतना खाना एंजॉय नहीं कर पाई क्योंकि मैं डिज़र्ट्स में ही खो गई थी। I know that there were buggies for everyone who were wearing like really long lehengas. तो from and you had to go like there were halls. तो कल तो Jio World Center में हो रहा था, तो I mean there were pavilions. तो एक pavilion में A.R. रहमान परफॉर्म कर रहे थे, एक pavilion में the couple was there और वहाँ पे सबको, मतलब इतनी लंबी लाइन थी एंड आई वॉज कॉन्स्टेंटली थिंकिंग कि इतनी लंबी लाइन है एंड दे हैव टू मीट एवरीवन, दे मस्ट बी सो टायर्ड एंड आई वॉज जस्ट लाइक कॉन्स्टेंटली वरीड अबाउट देम and because they've been doing this for so many days now and then they have to go and greet them and they were so nice, both of them, like in fact the entire family were just smiling and being so
you met Shloka Ambani, Akash Ambani on the
हाँ सब थे, सब स्टेज पे थे, तो वेरी वेरी वेलकमिंग, वेरी नाइस एवरीबडी वाज। तो हाँ, तो मतलब एक पवेलियन से जाने के लिए दूसरे पवेलियन पे you got buggies, everybody got buggies and I got to sit in a buggy and go to one pavilion to another. फ्रेंड्स ने वही किया जो आपने अभी किया, उन्होंने वीडियोस मंगवाई हैं, तो मैं चुप के पूरी वीडियोस बना रही थी और उनको भेज रही थी कि देखो ये होता है, ये होता है, तो सब हाँ बहुत वीडियो बनाए, छुप के क्या सब बना रहे थे, अलाउड था, तो मैं तो खुलेआम इसका सारे डेकोरेशन का वीडियो बना रही थी, मम्मी को भेज रही थी, दोस्तों को भेज रही थी ग्रुप पे, वी वर कॉन्स्टेंटली ऑन ग्रुप चैट एंड एवरीबडी वाज वेरी लाइक ऑल माई फ्रेंड्स तो वर वेरी एक्साइटेड। मतलब मुझे तो ऑल द बेस्ट के मैसेजेस आ रहे थे एक दिन पहले, तो मुझे लगा तो मतलब ऐसे कह रहे हैं, पता नहीं क्या हुआ। It's a great moment, so they were very excited.
Ace designer Suneet Verma, in an exclusive chat with Zoom, praised the seamless organization at the wedding and was in wonder at the planning and execution of a marriage event like of which he declared India hasn't seen and probably would not see in 100 years from now. Suneet also raved about the chaat at the wedding. From Varanasi's famous palak patta chaat to aloo tikki chaat, tamatar ki chaat and garadu chaat, the street food was finger-licking good. In fact, days before the wedding, Neeta Ambani made a trip to Varanasi to try out the different chaats like meetha samosa chaat and kachori sabzi to finalize the menu at the wedding. Designer Raghavendra Rathore, who designed Mukesh Ambani and Akash Ambani's looks for the main wedding event, also designed clothes for Anant Ambani, Tony Blair, Anil and Bonnie Kapoor, Bobby Deol and others. Raghavendra predicts that the repercussions of the Ambani wedding will be felt this entire year across the country. Everyone will try to emulate the looks designed for the wedding and this will give a huge fillip to Indian craftsmanship. The jewelry worn at the wedding, of course, has caused a worldwide stir already.
बहुत ज़्यादा मज़ा आया है। खाने के बारे में मैं क्या ही बताऊँ, वहाँ पे हर किस्म का काउंटर था। वो आप कश्मीर से लेके मलयाली खाना सब कुछ उन्होंने कवर किया था, बंगाली क्यूजीन था और मतलब खाना तो मतलब अलग ही लेवल का था। बहुत मज़ा आया खाना खा के। उन्होंने काशी भी बनाया था, काशी की जो गलियाँ है, एंड आई थिंक इट्स ओपन टू पब्लिक एंड आई फील लाइक एवरीबडी शुड गो एंड सी इट वंस बिकॉज इट्स रियली अ फेरी लैंड। आई एंजॉयड लाइक हाउ everyone was so warm, so loving, and how people were really celebrating Anant and Radhika. Their friends were swearing by that how nice a person Anant is, and I could see it, the kind of love that his friends had for him.
On her wedding day, Radhika wore Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla's intricate interpretation of Panetar, the Gujarati tradition of brides wearing red and white. The ivory Zardozi cutwork ensemble consists of a trailing ghagra layered with a second detachable trail, a 5-meter head veil and a tissue shoulder dupatta. Radhika Merchant paired the bridal lehenga with heirloom jewels steeped in family history. These pieces, which her sister Anjali wore for her wedding in 2020, included a cherished choker, polki earrings, a mang tika, and hath phool. For her vidai, Radhika opted for Manish Malhotra. The exquisite blouse featured real gold karchobi work inspired by the traditional abho and the rich textile heritage of Kutch, Gujarat, echoing the artistry of the late 19th century. It was paired with a multi-paneled Banarsi brocade lehenga in sunset hues. For the first evening as Mrs. Radhika Ambani, Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla collaborated with contemporary Indian artist and sculptor Jayashree Burman and Riya Kapoor to make this unique dress. To bring Jayashree's painting to life, the lehenga's 12 panels are hand-painted on a special Italian canvas. And lastly, for the reception look, Radhika Merchant wore a metallic corset top from Dolce & Gabbana with the couture sari from Anamika Khanna. Meanwhile, the groom Anant Ambani wore a rust orange sherwani tailored with a red border for the barat, completely hand-embroidered in an intricate trellis pattern that displays small birds within its structure. For the wedding, Anant wore an entirely gold sherwani crafted on a base of pure Kanjivaram, woven with shades of real silver and silver dipped in gold. But what caught everyone's attention was his opulent panther brooch made by Hira Manik and Son. The design featured a panther studded with diamonds crouching on a 720-carat Zambian emerald. That's not all. Anant wore a huge diamond-studded kalgi on this sehra. It was a 110-carat D flawless central diamond. The Ambani family ladies also stole hearts in their custom Abu Jani Sandeep Khosla creations. For the Shubh Ashirwad ceremony, Neeta Ambani donned an exquisite custom creation, and a particularly touching detail was the inclusion of her children's names, Akash, Isha and Anant, and her grandchildren's names, Krishna, Adya, Prithvi and Veda, embroidered on her choli along with Sanskrit shlokas on the hemline. Not only the opulent jewelry and couture, but Neeta Ambani's mehendi also became the talk of the town. She completed her look with an emerald set, which has been her favorite gemstone. Neeta's mehendi featured a stunning Radha Krishna motif on her palms, symbolizing eternal love and devotion. Complementing this divine depiction were the names of the newlyweds, Anant and Radhika, and the rest of the Ambani family, inscribed on the back of her hands. The artistic gesture highlighted the family's unity and their respect for cultural heritage. The wedding has attracted a constellation of global celebrities and dignitaries, underscoring its international allure. From Prime Minister Narendra Modi to global politicians like former UK Prime Minister Boris Johnson, Tony Blair, and Bollywood luminaries including the Bachchans, Rajnikant, the Khans, Priyanka Chopra, Nick Jonas, Ranbir Alia, Deepika Ranveer and others, the 3-day celebration was a star-studded affair. forget international influencers like Kim and Khloe Kardashian, who flew down from US for the extravaganza. The second day saw a host of spiritual gurus like Swami Sadanand Saraswati, Shankaracharya of Dwarka Peeth, and Swami Avimukteshwaranand Saraswati, Shankaracharya of Jyotirmath, who conducted auspicious rituals with Anant Ambani and Radhika Merchant. Performances by A.R. Rahman, Sonu Nigam, Shreya Ghoshal and Shankar Mahadevan among others won hearts of the guests. And as the curtains come down on the wedding extravaganza, we wish the newlyweds a lifetime of happiness and love.